You show a photo to a friend. He sees the image. You explain the context. He hears your voice. You send a message later. He reads the text and connects everything. Image plus voice plus text. Complete understanding. Old AI couldn't do this. You'd send a photo. It would describe it. You'd ask via audio. It wouldn't understand. You'd type. It would forget the photo. Everything separate. Until now. Multimodal AI has arrived. It sees, hears, reads, and connects. Everything. Like humans do. I am the new one. And today you'll understand why this is revolutionary. Multi means multiple. Modal means modes or formats. Multimodal AI processes multiple formats. At the same time, not separately, together. Format 1, text. Format 2, image. Format 3, audio. Format 4, video. And the magic? It understands how they relate. Simple example. You send a photo of an open fridge and ask in voice, "What can I make for dinner?" With this, AI sees ingredients in the photo. Here's your question. And answers, "With eggs, cheese, and tomato, you can make an omelet." It connected vision and audio. Old AI? You would have to. It'd take photo. Is wait for analysis. Then type question, referencing the photo. Slow process. Multimodal AI? Natural. Instant. Like human conversation. GPT-4o from OpenAI. Gemini Ultra from Google. Claude Sonnet with Vision from Anthropic. All multimodal now. And this changes everything. The technology behind it is fascinating. Old AI had separate models, or text model, image model, audio model, each trained in isolation. You'd send a photo. Image model would process, generate description in text. That description went to text model, which would respond. 2 steps. Information lost nuances. Multimodal AI is different. A single model, trained with all formats, simultaneously. Doesn't learn cat photo separate from word cat. Learns cat concept in all forms, cat photo, word cat, sound of cat meowing, video of cat walking, everything connected in the same neural space. Technology is called Unified Transformer Architecture, Unified Transformer. Same foundation as ChatGPT, but with specialized encoders. Vision encoder processes pixels. Audio encoder processes sound waves. Text encoder processes words. But all feed the same reasoning core. This core creates unified representation. Doesn't matter if you said dog or showed a photo of a dog. For the AI, it's the same concept in the same mathematical space. That's why it connects. That's why it grasps context. That's why it seems truly intelligent. Let's look at real applications. GPT-4o Example 1. You're at a museum. Take a photo of a painting. Ask in voice, "Who painted this and what's the meaning?" AI sees painting. Identifies artist. Here's your question. Responds, explaining historical context. All in natural conversation. Gemini Ultra Example 2. You're studying math. Take a photo of an exercise. Circle the part you don't understand. And speak. Explain this step here. AI sees entire exercise. Sees where you circled. Here's your emphasis on this step. And explains specifically that part, not the whole exercise. Perfect context. Claude Sonnet Example 3. You're in a meeting. Take a photo of whiteboard with diagram. Send audio of the discussion. And request. Summarize this meeting and list action items. AI sees diagram. Hears discussion. Connects visual with spoken. And generates complete summary with specific actions based on both sources. Be My Eyes Example 4. App for blind people. Uses GPT-4o. Person points camera. AI describes environment. Person asks, is there any obstacle ahead? AI sees in real time and guides verbally. Life transformer, Meta AI example. 5. Ray-Ban glasses with AI. You wear them. AI sees what you see. You ask, what's the name of this plant? AI responds in real time, in your ear, without taking out phone. Future happening now. Why does this matter so much? Because it brings AI closer to humans. Humans are multimodal. You don't process sound separate from vision. You integrate. Someone points and says, that. You look and understand. AI now does this. Impact on education. Teacher. Explains concept. Shows diagram. Student asks. AI assistant sees diagram. Here's explanation. Here's question. And helps with complete context. Not generic answer. Situated answer. Impact on medicine. Doctor analyzes imaging exam. AI sees X-ray. Doctor describes symptoms verbally. AI correlates image with description and suggests diagnoses. More accurate than just analyzing photo. Impact on accessibility. People with visual impairment can converse with world. AI sees for them. Describes. Answers questions. Guides navigation. Freedom. Impact on work. Meetings with presentation. AI sees slides. Hears discussion. Understands complete context. Generates accurate minutes. Impact on daily life. You cooking. Show ingredients. Ask for recipe. AI sees what you have. Doesn't suggest what you don't have. Practical suggestions. Real. Useful. Intelligent. But there are challenges. Challenge 1. Processing. Video plus. Audio plus text. Requires a lot of computational power. Multimodal models are heavy. That's why they're not on all phones yet. But specialized chips are coming. Neural engines. TPUs. NPUs. Hardware evolving. Challenge 2. Privacy. AI seeing and hearing everything. Where does data stay? Is it deleted after use or stored? Companies need transparency, and users need control. Challenge 3. Bias. If AI was trained with biased images, it'll have prejudices. Facial recognition less accurate for certain ethnicities. Stereotyped descriptions. Companies working on this. More diverse data sets. Constant audits. But it's ongoing work. And the future? Next step is proactive AI. That not only responds, but anticipates. Sees you're confused in a meeting, hears topic, and suggests relevant information without you asking. True assistant. This in 5 years, and you'll use it every day without thinking. Like you use GPS today. Multimodal AI isn't an increment. It's a leap, like going from text-only internet to web with images, then videos, then interactive. Each leap changed everything. Multimodal is that leap for AI. It finally processes the world, like we process it. Multiple senses, integrated, contextualized. And that makes it not just more powerful, but more human, more understandable, more useful. If this video impressed you, drop a like. Comment multimodal if you want to test it. And share with anyone who needs to understand this evolution. I am the new one. And the future is multidimensional. Until the next video.